Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
Everyone, now in this video I'm going to start from sum number 6 exercise 4.4. This is the second video from this exercise. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. And for the previous part, please check the description box, the link will be there. So here sum number 6. Without computing adjoint A, find date adjoint A if here the first problem A equal to 1, 3, minus 1, 4. Okay, A equal to 1, 3, minus 1, 4. So as you know that the formula of date adjoint A, okay, that equal to your date A to the power n minus 1. N means the order of the matrix. Okay, n means the order of the matrix. So as here 2 cross 2, that means here the order of the matrix is 2. So n equal to 2. So first you have to find out date A. Date A means here 4 into 1, then minus minus plus 3 into 1. So that equal to 7. So now you can write down here 7 to the power here 2 minus 1. Okay. So that equal to 7, your final answer. Now next one, sum number 2. In sum number 2 here A equal to minus 2, 0, 0, 3, 4, 0 and 10 minus 7, 3. So it's very easy to find out date A because here this one 0, this one also 0. So date A will be minus 2 and into here 4 into 3 it becomes 12, then 7 into 0 it becomes 0. So that equal to minus 24. Okay, so date adjoint A that equal to here minus 24 to the power, as here 3 cross 3, so here n equal to 3, so 3 minus 1, that means here minus 24 whole square. Okay, minus 24 whole square, so it will be in positive and 576 is your final answer. Now the last one, that means 6, 3. So here in 6, 3, first you have to write down the matrix, and that is here 2 minus 1 minus 2, 0 minus 2, sorry, plus 2 minus 1, 3 minus 5, 0. So first you have to find out date A. So for date A here 2 into this one 0, here minus 5, then here minus minus plus 1, this one here 0, then plus 3, after that here minus 2, then here 0 minus 6. Okay, now if you multiply this one, so it will be minus 10, here plus 3, and that one will be plus 12. So 12 plus 3, it's 15. Okay, so 15 minus 10, that equal to 5. So date A equal to 5. So here adjoint A date that equal to here 5 to the power 3 cross 3 matrix. So it will be 3 minus 1 and that equal to 5 square, that equal to 25. So 25 is your final answer. Now next, sum number 7. In sum number 7, if A equal to 2175, then you have to find out date A and adjoint A. So whenever you want to find out date A and adjoint A, you can write down this one as here date A and date adjoint A. Now you know the formula of date adjoint A, that is date A to the power n minus 1. N is the order of the matrix. So first you have to find out here date A, that is 5 to the 10 minus 7 and that equal to 3. So it's very easy to find out the value, 3 into 3 to the power here 2 by 2, that means 2 minus 1. So 3 into 3 and that equal to 9. It's very easy. Now next one, sum number 7 2. So here in sum number 7 2, here A equal to A 0 0, then 0 A 0, after that here 0 0 0 A. This is the matrix, and again you have to find out here A adjoint A. So here date A that equal to very easy, it's A cube. So here that one will be date A to the power n minus 1. So it will be here A cube into A cube to the power here 3 cross 3, that means 3 minus 1, so 2. So here a to the power 3 and here a to the power 6. So that equal to a to the power 9 is your final answer. Now sum number 7 3. In sum number 7 3 here a equal to 3 minus 1 4 5. Now you have to find out adjoint and then adjoint a. So first you have to find out adjoint a. After that you have to find out adjoint of adjoint a. So you know how to find out adjoint a. So that means first you have to interchange this place, these two. So this one here will be 5 and this one will be 3. And here you have to just change the sign. So it one will be positive 1 and that one will be minus 4. Okay. So that is adjoint a. Now you have to find out again adjoint of adjoint a. So that means you have to find out the adjoint of this one. So again change the place is 1 3 and 5 and this one will be again minus 1 and 4. So that one equal to a. Okay. So that means adjoint of adjoint a that equal to a matrix. Now sum number 8. In sum number 8 part 1. If A is a non-singular matrix, okay, non-singular means date A not equal to 0. Okay, remember that. Then show that here date A inverse that equal to 1 by date A. So now you know that here A inverse that equal to I and that equal to A inverse A. Now if you want to take date in both sides, so it will be A inverse in date and here it will be also in I. Okay. So now here you can write down here date A and this one A inverse date and that one will be also 1 because the determinant of identity matrix that equal to also 1. Okay, always 1. So now here you can write down date A inverse that equal to 1 by date A and it's proved. Now number 2. Sum number 8 2. If A is a matrix such that A cube equal to I, okay, A cube equal to I, then show that A is invertible. So as here A cube equal to I and if you take date in both sides, so date A cube equal to date I and that equal to you know that 1. Okay, that equal to you know that 1 and here the formula date A to the power n that equal to you can write down here A to the power n in date. So here you can write down n and that equal to here 1 which is not equal to 0. Okay. So as here you can also write down here date A equal to not equal to 0. So as date A not equal to 0 that means A is a non-singular matrix. Okay. That means A is a non-singular matrix. So A is invertible. Now the next one here in the third one. In third one here A to the power 4 equal to I. So if you want to take here date in both sides, so it will be here date I and you have to show that. You have to show that here A to the power minus 1 that equal to A cube. So as here A to the power 4, so you can write down date A to the power 4 that equal to 1. So that means here date A equal to plus minus 1. Date A equal to plus minus 1 and that equal to also not equal to 0. Okay, that was also not equal to 0. That means here again A is non-singular, so A is invertible. That means A inverse exists. A inverse exists. So now as here A to the power 4 equal to I, so if you multiply, okay, if you multiply here A inverse, if you multiply A inverse in both sides, so it will be here A inverse A to the power 4 that equal to A inverse I. Okay. Now you can write down this one as A inverse I. Okay. And you can write down here A to the power 4 as A inverse A cube that equal to here A inverse only. So as here A inverse A, that means I only this portion A inverse A that equal to I into A cube that equal to A inverse, and if you multiply I with A cube it becomes A cube. So here A cube equal to A inverse, and it's proved. Now next sum number 9. So here in sum number 9, here given A, that means given matrix that equal to 3 minus 5 and that one equal to 4 2. So 3 minus 5 4 2. Now in that case in sum number 9 you have to find out here A and then adjoint A. Okay, A into adjoint A. You have to find out the value of this one. So first you have to find out here date A. So here date A equal to 3 into 2 6 and that one equal to plus 20. So that equal to here 26. Okay. So now as here A adjoint A. Okay. A adjoint A. So the formula will be date A into I. Okay, A adjoint A, here the formula will be date A into I. Always remember that formula. If you want to multiply matrix with the adjoint of that matrix, then it will be the date of that matrix into identity matrix. Okay, this is the formula. You have to remember that one. So as here date A equal to 26, so 26 into identity matrix, that means 1001. So your final answer will be 260026. So you have to always remember that one formula. The matrix and the multiplication of the adjoint of that matrix, which is equal to the determinant of that matrix into identity matrix. Okay, now the last one, sum number 10. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. So here in sum number 10, here the given matrix A, that one equal to 1 minus 2 3. Okay, and then next one 1 2 1, after that x2 minus 3. So that is the given matrix and its sum number 10 1. And here the matrix A, this is the A matrix and it's a singular matrix. So you have to find out the value of x. Now you know that if a matrix is singular, that means date A equal to 0. So first you have to find out here date A. So date A will be here 1 into then minus 6 minus 2, then plus 2 here because it's minus. So it will be minus 3 minus x, and last one here 3 into 2 minus 2x. Okay, so it's minus 8. Here it will be here minus 6 minus 2x, then here 6 minus 6x. Okay, so 6 cancel out, here minus 8 and that one minus 8x. Okay, minus 8 minus 8x, and as here data is a singular matrix, so data equal to 0, that means minus 8 minus 8x, that one equal to 0. So from that x equal to here minus 1. X equal to minus 1 is your final answer. So here sum number 10 2. If the matrix, so first you have to write down the matrix x plus 4 x x x x, this one x plus 4 again, x x and x plus 4. So this is the given matrix, is singular matrix. You have to find out the value of x. Okay, so do one thing. When first you have to change this matrix. So as here you can do, what you will do, okay, so if this one is A, so that one will be, you can here apply a operation, that column 1 that equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So it will be now here 3x plus 4, then again 3x plus 4, then again 3x plus 4. Now x plus 4, x x plus 4. Very good. Okay, now if 3x plus 4 will be common, so it becomes here 1 1 1, x plus 4 x plus 4. Okay, so now this is your current matrix. So now what you will do, here you can change, you can take another operation. So the next operation here, that will be here R2, that means row 2. So row 2 minus row 1, and for the row 3, so here row 3 minus row 1. So here x, now here for row 2, 1 minus 1 0, x plus 4 minus x, it will be only 4, it will be 0. Next one, 1 minus 1 0, x minus x 0, and that one will be only 4. Okay, so now it's very easy to find out the date of this matrix. So here the date of this matrix A equal to 3x plus 4, and here 1 into 16 minus 0. That means 16 into 3x plus 4. Okay, 16 into 3x plus 4. And it's a singular matrix. That means the date A equal to 0. So 16 into 3x plus 4, that equal to 0. And from so that imply x equal to minus 4 by 3 as your final answer.